Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
逃げられないようにおとなしくしてもらうぜ。
Hello everybody, I hope everyone's having a great summer and enjoying the new summer update. Today I'm going to show you how you can get your dream villagers. But before we get into the video, I have a quick announcement. I want to host a giveaway, but since I'm too poor to give away any real money or fancy stuff, I'm going to give away something that might be of the same value. I'm going to give Judy to one lucky winner, and all you need to do to enter the giveaway is to keep watching this video. Now, this villager hunt method will include a lot of time skipping and probably some spoilers.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
The first thing we need to do for this method is to prepare some requirements. You need to have the campsite unlocked and be on the newest patch, which currently is 1.3.1. Next, you need to have 10 villagers living on your island. If you're looking for a specific villager, for example Raymond, make sure you have all the personality types except Smug on your island. This isn't necessary, but it will increase the chances of you encountering a Smug villager with 60%. If you're ready to make this sacrifice, you should be able to pin down your wanted villager in around 20 or 40 campsites visits. The campsite spawn selection follows a specific process. First, the game will pick 1 out of 8 personalities for a villager. Second, the game will pick a villager with the selected personality. Any villager that spawns at the campsite will not spawn again before all the villagers with the same personality type have spawned. I want to find one of these cats. Tom, Lolly, Punchy or Kabuki. I already have a lazy and a cranky villager, so the chance of me getting Tom, Punchy or Kabuki will be slimmer than me getting Lolly. The first step is to set a date. You can use any date you want, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to set mine to January 1st, 2021. And I'm going to set the time to 10 AM just to show you how long the process will take. Step 2 is to open the game, and here is the bell's announcement. Okay, no camper today, so I'm going to let her finish her announcements, walk out of my house and fix my hair, and then wrap it up for now. Next, I'm going to skip 1 day forward until she announces a camper. If she doesn't announce a camper, you just press the home button and press X before she can finish her dialogue. Alright, so the date right now is 14th of January 2021. That means that I found my first camper after 13 days and just 17 minutes. But the process can take a little longer sometimes, so don't get discouraged when you don't find a camper right away. So my first camper is June. She's a normal villager. I really like her and I had her in Pocket Camp. But she's not one of the villagers I'm looking for. I'm going to save and wrap it up for now. If you do come across a camper you want on your first try, you can skip the video to the giveaway info and see the next steps. I am going to skip 6 days forward to January 20, 2021. This will raise the chance of a camper spawning to 20%, which is the maximum. Okay, no camper today, so I'm going to keep skipping 1 day until she announces a camper. If Isabel keeps announcing seasonal stuff, allow the day to load and she will send you a seasonal DIY. Save your game and resume hunting. This should quiet her down for a bit and might even help improve rates. Alright, looks like we have a camper today. The date right now is January 26, 2021. Alright, so my second camper is Sandy. Again, a normal type, but not the villager I want, so I'm going to save and close the game. And then skip 6 days forward and repeat the process. So by now, it's February 8, 2021, and I got my third camper. And it's Kabuki. I didn't expect to find him so easily, but hey, I'm not complaining. But before we get into the next step, I'm going to give you some more info on the Judy giveaway. All you need to do is to join my Discord and click that little party icon at the bottom. You gotta be quick because the giveaway will last 2 weeks. And before you know it, she's gone.
Look at you!
Alright, back to the video. I'm going to keep talking to Kabuki until he gives me an option to play the card game. This can take a few tries, but just keep spamming the A and B button until you get it right. So now he's going to check in with the resident services to see if he can kick anyone out, since I already have 10 residents living on my island. Alright, he wants to kick out Raymond. Now, we're not going to let him do that. So before he can finish his dialogue, I'm going to press the home button and close the game without saving. It's very important that he doesn't finish his dialogue. If he does, the game will autosave and he won't pick another villager to kick out. So I'm just going to keep closing the game without saving until he gets a new villager. On my second try, he wanted to kick out Bob. So I closed the game immediately and kept repeating this process. He wanted to kick out Tanky 2 times in a row, but that doesn't mean he's already set on kicking her out. After 6 tries, he finally wanted to kick out Dobie. If you completed this process, congratulations, you found your dream villager. Now you have 2 options. You save and wrap things up. Now it's important that you don't skip back in time. You need to skip 3 days forward and open the game again to avoid getting the exterior glitch. Then you wrap things up again and go back to you in real time. Or if you're a trader like me, you'll go for option B. The villager that will be kicked out will be in boxes the same day that you invite your new camper in. So from now on you can sell the kicked out villager when someone visits your island to invite the kicked villager in while you're still in 2021. It won't matter for them, the villager will be moved in the next 2 days. And that's it. I explained this camper method in full detail, but I will link an image with the easy steps in the description, so you can go over it again when you need it. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider leaving a like, join the Discord server for the giveaway, and leave a nice comment so the algorithm will show this video to other people.